Hi everybody, it's Mandy and Jack, and today I'm going to unbox my Nadine West. This is the first time that I've tried this service. They will send you pieces of clothing. I think the price is like around $9, $10. They'll send you some curated pieces of clothing, and then you can pick what to keep, and you pay for what you keep. What you don't want, you send back, and that $9 will go towards the price of your clothes. I did fill out a little survey, told them my size, areas of my body that I kind of wanted to cover, my style, that sort of thing. I do believe that it will come with some jewelry as well. This is the package that came. And you can kind of see, ooh, I like it already from the side. I told them that I like florals, and I like pink, and I like girly romantic clothing. Oh, something smells good. First down, I see something black.
I think that's our universal.
Ooh, is this a cardigan? Oh, nope, it's a sweater, but I like it.
I think I know it smells good. It's this.
We've got a long sleeve shirt with some gold button detailing. Looks like a V-neck. And it's kind of a thin material, which is good because I get hot. So it's almost like a t-shirt, silky t-shirt material. This is from Zenna Outfitters. And I think this would fit and look really good. It kind of has a little cinch in a little bit around the bottom. That's pretty. And then I guess these will go with them. Looks like I have a pair of leggings. I love leggings. I live in leggings. And I love florals. These are so pretty. It has a neat little zipper detailing. These are from Shosho.
Maybe just cut that.
Go sit over there. Sit over there.
Maybe just cut that button.
And what else can I say? It looks like they're full-length leggings. They're kind of the shiny, slick material. I think I'd like those. I would wear it with that top. And then it came with, I'm going to be in trouble because I like everything. It came with a pair of earrings. They look like they are silver hoops. They feel a little on the cheap side. We'll see what they want for those. Did you see a paper in that bag? Look and see if there's a paper. And then this necklace looks a little wild. Let's see.
Yeah, there's a small little bag now.
Okay.
Actually, no, it just turned into a
This is a silver necklace. It almost looks like a leaf. I don't know if I like it or not. That's probably the only piece that I'm not real crazy about. I don't think I would wear that. Alright, I'm going to look at the little bag here. It should tell us the price of the items. Or this, it's got the return label, and then the top was $39.99. That's a little pricey for a black top. The leggings were $22.99. The earrings were $16.99. And the necklace was $29.99. I'll have to try those on. That seems a little pricey for the top, but I'll probably keep the leggings, and I may keep the earrings. We'll see. I'm embarrassed to try them on because I'm a little heavier, so I'm not going to do that probably. But I'll let you know how I like them and what I end up keeping. Jack, what are you doing? This is why I don't give you candy. Thanks for joining me and looking at the items that I got from Nadine West.
That was it already?
Yeah, there was only 4 items there. I had the earrings, I had the necklace that I didn't care for.
You know how we can make this video longer?
The leggings, and I have the top, which feels nice, is $40. And we also had a disaster where Jack pulled down my curtains. Those were hard to get up. Anyway, thank you for joining me. I will see you in the next video.